after we passed that creepy village, we went down that small road here, and now we are in the, how's it called? Some conservation and recreation division of water supply. Some park, national park thingy. Now we want to go down there because there's a lake somewhere we want to find. I hope my feet don't get wet because I don't have the right shoes. What a wonder. Yeah, shoes are not my thing, but at least I have new shoes without a hole in the sole.
Yeah, you've had the other day a hole in the sole.
Yeah, my old shoes, and it took quite a while until I bought me some new ones, but they are not waterproof and it's snowy here. This is actually, I think this is also a hunting area, which I think, even if I don't eat meat, I like hunting. I've never did that, but I think it's a cool thing to do. I would eat the meat if I would hunt myself, because I think just buying the meat in the supermarket, there's not a real appreciation for life, and you don't really respect the life of the animal. And it's a little bit different if you hunt it yourself, because you work for it and you can thank the animal to leave their, or to give their life that you can live.
Definitely. You're hunting it, you earn it, and you know the value and the worth of the meat, of the animal, and it's just more personal. It's like if you go to the grocery and buy like a piece of meat or steak or something, you just buy it. You haven't seen the animal, you don't know what the struggle they went through. You don't know anything about that, you just buy and eat it.
And just cage a living being in a small thing that it cannot move and it just gets some crappy food. That's no respect to life. I mean, of course you can say, why don't you grow your own vegetables then? You shouldn't eat them. But I think it's a different consciousness level, and it's different. A vegetable or an animal, you cannot deny that this is different.
Yes.
And if I would have a garden, I probably would grow my own vegetables.
Grow your own stuff, grow your own vegetables.
Yeah, it tastes a lot better.
It just tastes different. Like, I got a friend and they do have like their own chickens, which means they got their own eggs as well. And I've been there for breakfast and they gave me like the scrambled eggs, and it tastes so different. In the first place, I thought it's off of something, but it wasn't, because it was actually just the taste of a real egg. So that opened up my eyes that what we get in the grocery is really, really bad. It's nothing that you should actually really eat.
Oh, my feet getting cold.
Oh.
But I want to buy some Timberlands, because the last pair of Timberlands I owned, I used them for 14 years.
14
That's
years.
Quality.
That's really good quality.
I mean, they're quite expensive, like around about $160.
Yeah.
But if you count it up to 14 years, that's almost nothing. And I also, before that, I had some cheaper ones, and I just wore them for 1 year. So the cheaper ones have been actually much more expensive. Oh, look at this. How peaceful. Are you filming?
I'm just testing the camera.
Okay. Let's go a little bit off the track. Well, let's take some pictures here. Even here, still on the phone. Always on the phone. Unfortunately, it started to rain, so we're going back to the car. Hopefully it will stop soon and doesn't get worse. And then we want to go to that lake. Maybe we find the road to this spot. Right. Hopefully see you there, guys. Okay, we're going back to the creepy village. But I think it's really cool to live here. Like in the middle of the forest. Nowhere, no one around.
You can literally do whatever you want.
Yeah, something to retire. I would say that's a goal. If you are old, just a family, some dogs.
And a huge forest cat.
Forest cat, yeah. A werewolf.
Yay.
We arrived in the Quabbin Reservoir in Massachusetts. Unfortunately, it's still a little bit raining, and but we try to make some or take some good pictures. The weather is not perfect for that, so the light conditions are a little bit cloudy and just not the best, but I think we can work with this. Yeah, Lou is still in the car. He needs a break because I think it's all the crap he eats all the time that overloads your system, and yeah, you just feel like what you eat. That's it. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm wondering how strong the ice is, because I have seen a guy on another lake walking on the ice, but I don't want to try it. Could be too dangerous here. I mean, here's nothing. So rescue would be far away. Alright, I'm gonna grab my camera and take some pictures. Always eating and playing with the phone. Lou, what you up to?
Some beef.
It's a cool place here to take pictures.
Let's get out of here.
Look at this. Oh, this is really, really cool here. Wow. Ah. Wow. All right, we're gonna take some pictures. Lou already started, and then see you later. Okay, let's check how thick the ice is.
We got this stone getting there, so have a look. Ready?
Okay, yeah, let's go. Oh, okay.
That's
It's
actually
still
quite impressive.
on the ice. It doesn't appear that strong, that thick.
But it's also broken on this plate.
Yeah, but I can stand here. But I don't dare to go over there. I think that's just stupid.
Yes.
But I can. Yeah, make my shoes wet, my feet. That's a good idea. Lou has his blocking setup. I'm wondering how long he can hold the camera.
Yeah, it's quite heavy.
Yeah, I'm running out of battery right now, so that's probably it for today. We check this area out a little bit more and see you tomorrow.